Hi friends, it's Maya coming to you with another video, my friends, and I'm cooking HelloFresh again today, my friends. We are making tacos, and this is Choriqueso tacos with creamy slaw. That's what it looks like. And let's just check to see what's in the bag. So we got some cilantro right there. I got some taco shells. Yep. I got some scallion. These scallions look good. Uh, Green onions. More tacos. Here's the coleslaw mix. That's it. Nice. We got a lime. Tomato sauce. This is Mexican mix, I'm sure. Yeah, this is Mexican mix. More of that. I've got some chili pepper. Nice. More lime. And some more chili peppers. Got some mayonnaise here. And of course, some mozzarella cheese. And the bag is empty. Okay, so let's get started. We're making the Choriqueso tacos. So getting started, my friends, the first thing I did was zest the lime, and after just cut one lime and made juice from it, and then I continue on. I think I have enough here. So then I went on to preparing the green onions. I normally cut off the root so I can plant them in water or in soil to make sure I get some, always have green onions on hand. Nothing like fresh green onions in whatever food you're preparing. And then I moved on into preparing the cilantro, and all they wanted me to do was roughly chop this, so that no time at all that was done. And then I started on juicing the lime. Now I do have a video out showing you how to use this juicer from the Dollar Tree. And in the video, I also said that my daughter didn't know how to use this. I don't know if everybody knows how to use one, but the video is available. So I went on to preparing the chili pepper, my friends. I wanted to use a fork to do it because, getting the that spice on your hand is going to be very painful if you don't wash it properly, if you don't wash your hands properly. But the forks wasn't working out at all, so I decided to use my bare hands and you know, prepare it. I did take out the seeds, but I did leave a little bit of seeds in there because I want a little bit of a kick in my tacos. And then I thinly sliced these. Actually, I chopped it up. After I finished preparing the herbs, I went over to the stove, added a little bit of oil in the pot, and then I started to prepare the chorizo. And I just, cooked it up for a little bit, but make sure to chop up these the chunks into smaller pieces and just cook it up a bit. The thing is with HelloFresh, it does say about certain meats to leave them cooking for about 3 to 5 minutes, but I always cook my meats longer. I know this is ground beef, it's easy to cook, but I like when my meats are cooked thoroughly, and yeah, just to prevent any kind of mishap. So I cooked this really nicely, and then I went over, start adding my chili peppers to it. I left it to cook for a little bit, went in, add my Mexican sauce to it, stir it up a bit, make sure everything is coated and nicely blended in, let it cook for a little bit longer. Then I went in again and add my tomato sauce base onto it. Did stir that up again and make sure it's well combined, and add some water in it to give it some more liquid to help it to cook. And then I kind of left it there and let it cook for a while, season it up with salt and pepper, and then let it cook for a bit. So I went on to make the sauce that will become the base for the coleslaw. I did put some mayonnaise in it, and then the lime juice, and then I did add this lime zest in it, and then the rest of the Mexican seasoning, and some sugar in it. Whisk it a bit, and then I'm ready to add my coleslaw mix to it. I discovered that my bowl was a little bit small, but I just continued using it, and I had half of the green onions into the salad, and combined it all up, and until it was well coated. Add some salt and pepper to it, and honestly, my friends, it was pretty easy, and just nice tasting. I swear, my friends, when I am cooking in the kitchen, I make a complete mess of the whole counter. When my daughters cook, oh my goodness, the kitchen is always neat and clean. Now I'm learning to kind of clean up after myself when I'm cooking, just to do the little bits and pieces so that things are not overwhelmed at the end. But that's another video. I'm ready to assemble these tacos, my friend. I lined the baking sheet with parchment paper, put the taco shells on it, and then put the filling, the taco filling, the chorizo filling in, and then add on some cheese in it, put it in the oven for 5 minutes, and then continue to do the rest of it until I got enough. And then I took out the ones that I had in the oven. After about 4 minutes, I add some green onion and some cilantro on it, and then I put this coleslaw at the side, and drizzle the coleslaw with some lime juice on it. It was easy breezy, my friends. Love this recipe, and it was very tasty. And there it is, my friends. Dinner solved.